Global warming is not prediction now. It is happening, and we can see the consequences as a increasement of the level of sea, melting of glacier, and also that the many coastal cities and many island nations are under the threat of sinking. Hello and good morning everyone. Today my lecture topic is global warming. Friends, global warming is unwanted phenomena in which the temperature of Earth's surface is increasing day by day due to many factors. And the main cause of the global warming is greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbon that release into the atmosphere. And friends, this phenomena has potential to end the human existence from the planet. So now let's talk what are the causes of global warming. Then first is deforestation. As we know, for the purpose of the domestic and the commercial uses, we are cutting down the millions of the trees day by day, and it led to the global warming and climate change because plants are the one which is the biggest source of the oxygen. Second is overpopulation. Friends, if there will be more population, the more breathing will be happen, and CO2 is the primary gas that cause the global warming. Third, the uses of vehicles. Friends, today for the certain distance we are using vehicles, and vehicle run from the burning of fossil fuel, and that fossil fuel release the carbon dioxide and many other gases that increase the global warming and climate changes. Fourth, industrial development. Friends, after the industrialization, there is rapid increasement in the global warming and the increasement of the warming the earth's surface, and that led to this situation. Fifth is volcanoes. Friends, this is the biggest contributor as a natural, like the ashes, the smoke from the volcanoes just goes into atmosphere, and that led to the biggest global warming situation. Some other causes like agriculture, the chlorofluorocarbon. Friends, now let's talk what are the impact of the global warming. Then first is the level of sea is increasing, the water is warming day by day, as well as it goes under the for the threat of the many coastal cities and the island nation. Second is climate change. We can see there is drought, there is flood at the same time, and it is happening because of global warming. Third is spreading new disease like a skin cancer, and some other disease are coming from the changing in patterns of the condition and the environment. Fourth, threat to ecosystem. Friends, today millions of the species of plants and the animals are under threat by because of global warming. Friends, in my conclusion as a way forward, like today we need to adopt the renewable sources, renewable energy for the kind of industries and vehicles and many other things. And in COP27 that recently happened, in which many world leaders have talked on these issues, and also in COP26, India committed to reach the net zero carbon emission by the end of 2070, and also China did this, as both are the biggest creator of the CO2. As a responsible citizen, we can also adopt the renewable sources for the different kind of uses as a household, and we can also overcome the dependence on the vehicles, so we can fight and somehow we can overcome the issues of the global warming. Thank you.